my name is Erin. I live in LA. I'm at Harley Davidson, California, and I'm learning to ride the Jumpstart. I've ridden on the back of many motorcycles, never driven one. A lot of my friends have done it. It's my turn. I had so much fun walking around the showrooms. I was really surprised as to how different all of the bikes feel, and it's all about your personal preference, what posture makes you feel comfortable. Each one of them gave you a very different personality when you sat in them. The ones that I ended up liking weren't necessarily the ones that I expected to like based on looking at them. It's a lot to juggle, but I'm so glad that I had that experience. I definitely feel like I want to go home and practice some more, but you know, it becomes clearer and clearer each time. The first round was a bit of a train wreck, but I'm definitely learning. Yeah, I want to come back. Again and again and again. It was really fun. I think it gives me a whole lot of respect for motorcycle riders. I'm not sure I would say that I feel less intimidated, but I do feel more informed, which is super important. Being more informed, of course, gives you more confidence. I'm trying to get mine in the next year because I'm going to Indonesia next year in 2022, and I hope that I can go ride all through the jungle and the villages, and yeah, just create some really great biking memories in the tropics.